Welcome everybody to another weekly weekend reset. I feel like I say this a lot, but my house is a disaster once more. And over the last couple of weeks, I haven't really been in the mood to clean, and I've been forcing myself to get up, put on the music, and clean. But today, it actually wasn't that difficult to get going. I think maybe partially because I'm a little bit excited for Thanksgiving, and I still haven't put away all the Halloween decor. And even in this video, I still didn't put away all the Halloween decor, but I'm just excited to get ready for Thanksgiving because after Thanksgiving, it's Christmas. And if you are curious, we are listening to Chappell Roan today. Thing about her music always makes me feel a little feral and very energized. Anyways, this video isn't my most satisfying video to watch. Unfortunately, I end up not getting everything clean. I had to clean out the closet underneath the stairs as well as my son's closet, and in those spaces contained like the majority of my craft supplies. I'm like a hobby hopper, so I have a lot of crafting hobbies. I have been wanting to make a video where I share all my hobbies, so if you are interested in that, let me know. I also am making a video specifically for cleaning the under the stairs closet portion, so if you're interested in that, don't forget to go and watch. And per usual, I am going through my regular weekly weekend reset to-do list. So I pick up first trash, then dishes, then I go ahead and clean off the surfaces, wipe down the surfaces, and then start the robo vacuum. And for those of you guys that are new here, I would like to take this moment to introduce myself. My name is Catalina. I'm a working married mom of 3 kids, and I specifically make videos for moms who are stressed out, don't have enough time to do it all, and who hate cleaning. You also might be able to tell from this section of the house, but I also have hoarder tendencies. At the moment, I don't really have the time to go through our stuff and declutter like I used to do when I was a stay-at-home mom, but I'm hoping that very soon I will once again. I originally started this channel before I got a job, and I did it in a way of like finding out what I want to be when I grow up. I'm still trying to figure that out, but one thing that has always been consistent and I have always wanted to continue working on was this YouTube channel. I don't know if cleaning is always going to be my content. I can definitely see focusing more on like decluttering and organizing in the future, which by the way, I do also post grocery hauls every weekend. Okay, most weekends. All right, as we're starting to slow down now with the cleaning, I am swapping from Chappell Roan to Miss Selena Gomez. I actually really love her latest album. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I don't know if you guys have listened to it or not, but if you have, let me know what you think. All right, so in a second, we are about to wrap up wiping off the surfaces, and I am going to pause to make brunch. I almost never make breakfast at a decent time because I want to clean before I start cooking. I also want it to be clean before we sit down to enjoy breakfast. So that does mean that we end up having brunch, not breakfast, but it's okay. At least everyone is fed. And you know what? Breakfast is still my favorite meal of the day. This part of the video was filmed way later in the day. Apparently I forgot to finish the rest of the video. And also this is the area that I was working on after cleaning the normal kitchen, living, dining room area. I know. To be honest, I don't even know how to explain exactly what's going on here, but that room that you just saw is where I am currently holding everything while I sort through it all. It's all the stuff that was in this closet, which now, look at it. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. And here's a little before video. Yeah. So it looks great now. Now, since I got distracted with all this, I didn't actually finish the like kitchen, living, dining room area. So I did want to quickly just kind of put all this back together before going to bed so that we can start the week with this main area in decent shape. And the reason why I always choose this area for a weekly weekend reset is because this is where our kids do homework. This is where we cook dinner every night. This is where we gather as a family on the daily. So it's really important to me and my family that this area is maintained somewhat so that our day-to-day functions can actually, well, you know, function. And well, friends, that's it for today's video. To see the follow-up of the closet under the stairs and that horrible, terrible room, don't forget to like, follow, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.